Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Capcut and creating a project with your footage or background. Add a text layer and type the words you want to animate. This gives you a controllable object. Position the text roughly where the motion will begin and choose legible font, size, and color so motion reads clearly. Once the text exists, make sure the clip length matches your intended animation duration. This avoids sudden cutoffs and keeps timing predictable as you add motion. You'll animate using keyframes. Tap the text layer, enable keyframes, then move the playhead to your first frame and add a starting keyframe. Move forward in time, change position or scale, and add another keyframe to create movement. To refine feel, apply easing or select a preset animation. This smooths acceleration and looks professional. For layered motion, animate scale and rotation on separate keyframes. Once done, scrub playback and adjust spacing between keyframes to control speed and rhythm. You finish by previewing the full animation and making small tweaks. Nudge keyframes for timing, add motion blur or shadow to sell movement, and group layers if multiple words move together. Once satisfied, set export resolution and frame rate to match your project, then export and review on target device. If motion looks jittery, check keyframe spacing and apply easing. If text snaps, ensure keyframes aren't overlapping or conflicting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.